unbelievable. It stars Scarlett Johansson, ooh, and Florence Pugh, and Rachel Weisz, who happens to be married to Daniel Craig. That's right, James Bond. Man, the action in this movie, the action, whoa. There were people who were doing stuff that I can't do. They were driving cars, they were driving motorcycles, cars were crashing, motorcycles were crashing. They were flying helicopters. Helicopters were coming down. They were flying through the air. They were diving. What a movie. You guys got to see this. I'm going to rate this movie at 8.75. Why? Because it's that good. You guys got to go check it out. It's only 2 hours and 14 minutes long. It's very enjoyable. I guarantee you, you won't be upset. So catch it. I'll catch you on the next review. Have a good one. Bye.